What's on screen right now is the Recteq Flagship 1600, a large format wood pellet grill that appears built for serious outdoor cooking, rather than occasional weekend use. At first glance, the construction looks substantial and heavy-duty, with stainless steel throughout that sets it apart from most grills competing in this segment. The cooking surface spans 1,667 square inches across 3 separate racks, enough space to accommodate 3 full briskets or up to 16 racks of ribs at the same time. That capacity is one of the clearest indicators of what this grill is designed to do. Temperature control runs from 180 degrees Fahrenheit for low and slow smoking, all the way up to 700 degrees for higher heat cooking. The PID controller holds temperature within 5 degrees of the set point, which appears to deliver the precision that long smoking sessions genuinely require. The 40-pound hopper holds enough pellets for approximately 40 hours of continuous cooking before needing a refill. Smart connectivity comes through dual-band Wi-Fi and the Recteq app, where temperature and meat probe readings can be monitored remotely. 2 probes are included, and the ceramic igniter is rated for over 100,000 lighting cycles. The grease management system has also been updated on this version. One thing worth noting is that maximum searing temperatures in practice tend to cap around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which may limit direct high-heat searing compared to traditional charcoal or gas methods. The app has also been noted as lacking a remote start feature by some users. Overall, the Flagship 1600 feels like a premium and well-engineered pellet grill. For those who prioritize cooking capacity, temperature consistency, and long-term build quality, it appears to be a compelling and serious outdoor cooking investment.